Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and fine at your home. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 5. Log on to logo. What is the meaning of the logo? The logo is a simple language of a computer, just like the language is the medium of to talk or write. You may speak different languages like Hindi, English, or any other regional language. But to talk to any person, you need to use a common language which he or she understands. Just like that, the computer has its own language. You want to give the instruction to a computer, then you need to learn the language which computer understand. And the computer language is logo. The logo is one of the easiest computer language. The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. You can use logo to draw the pictures, do calculation and print the text. First of all, how can you start the logo? To start a logo program, first of all, you have to click on the start button. Then you have to select the all programs. After that, you can click on the Microsoft window logo, and the last one is select the Microsoft window logo. You will get the opening screen of MSW logo program, where you can find many buttons and menu options. The logo screen is split into the two parts. First one is the main graphic screen, that is the main window to draw the pictures. Here you will find a triangle that is called the turtle. The second one is the commander window. It is the smaller area under the main screen. It is used for typing the commands. We can run the commands by pressing the enter key. It is divided into two sections. The first section is command input box. The white space where you can type the command is known as the input box. The second one is recall list box. The gray section that keeps the track of all the commands that are executed. It also displays the messages which appears as a result of these commands. Next is the control button. They are used to perform the different tasks. First is execute button. To run a command, click on the execute button or press the enter key. The second is status button. It displays the status of the current setting in the logo. Next is halt button. It immediately stops the logo from processing further. Next is pause button. It stops the execution of logo program so that you can examine the instructions and make changes it. Next is reset button to reset the logo output screen. Next is knowing logo term. What is the knowing logo term? Everybody knows? No? Anybody know? You don't know? Okay. The first part of this is the turtle. What is a turtle? It is a small triangular object that obey only the logo commands. A turtle has two parts. The pointed top of the turtle is known as the head and the bottom part of it is known as the tail. A turtle moves on the main screen and draws a figure according to the commands you will give in the input box. Next is primitives. The logo commands are known as primitives. They instruct the logo turtle. The turtle obey the primitives. When we press the enter key while typing the primitives, always leave a blank space between the primitives and the number steps. You can type the primitives in the capital or small letters. Next is program. When you write the primitives one after another, the set of the primitive is known as the program. Okay, so here you read some topics. First of all, you have to clear this one for after reading again and again. And in my next video, I will tell you some other points. Okay, thank you. That's all.